Hey guys, what's up? And welcome back to another episode of What the Fuck is for Dinner. So on this week's episode, I have for you guys what I call low-key happy fried rice. So stay tuned and watch for the recipe will be down in the description box. So I have all my ingredients set to the side and waiting. I have my wok, which I am going to have heated up on a medium-high heat, and I'm just going to coat with a little bit of olive oil. Once that is nice and hot, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start scrambling my eggs. You want to make sure you do that first because you do not want to add any eggs into your rice as you're cooking it. Like, you don't want to do that. So make sure you scramble them. Check out my trip to the farmer's market. That's where I get my yard eggs from. That's why my yolks are so bright. All right, after I'm done scrambling my eggs, I get ready to saute my vegetables. So I'm going to start out with my garlic. That is 1 tablespoon of garlic. Get that all nice and soft. Then I'm going to add my green onions and my Chinese sausage. I get those from my local Asian mart called Kmart. They're really, really good. They got a whole bunch of different stuff there. So get those down nice and soft. Once you're done cooking them down, softly just put them to the side and bam, throw your shrimp in there. You want to cook them up in that same oil that your sausage is in. Shake, shake. Shaking and shaking and shaking and shaking. Look at that. That was so nice and pretty. I'm so corny, y'all. So make sure you get those shrimp cooked down. I cook them slightly, and then I go ahead and I add my rice in there. So my shrimp are not all the way done yet. Coat that pan again with olive oil. You're going to continue to add olive oil as you go. So I'm going to use my liquid aminos. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of liquid aminos. That's a great substitution for soy sauce. After that, I'm going to add my sesame oil. I'm going to use a half of tablespoon for my sesame oil. You can add a little bit more, but it does give it a strong nutty flavor. Once I add that, I'm just going to go ahead and break it up. That's a good time to start getting your rice going when you start hearing it fry a little bit. So make sure you're breaking up really, really good so that it can be all nice, evenly coated. So now you're going to add in your sausage and your green onions that you had sauteed earlier. Mix, 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 mix. Add more olive oil as you go, because what is this? Low-key happy fried rice. After you get it in there, turn your heat up just a tad bit, and then you're gonna add in those peas and carrots. I just had a frozen bag of peas and carrots in my freezer, and so I just threw them in there. You can get those anywhere. Mix, mix, mix all together. Last thing you're gonna add is your eggs. I really don't use too much eggs. I just have just a little bit for texture, but you can by all means add as much as you want. So this, guys, is how I make my shrimp fried rice. It's really simple, really quick. I add a little bit of extra seasoning at the end. This is one of my favorites called umami. I get it at, of course, Trader Joe's. It's very, very good. I add about a hit of that, a hit of this, a hit of that there, and then white pepper. So I really don't like the smell of it, but I like the taste of white pepper. So I just add a little dash of that, just to give it a little kick. And then I mix that all in there. And that's pretty much it. It's very quick, very simple, especially if you had a dinner before that had rice and you had leftover rice. You can go ahead and throw this simple dish together. So if you like it, please make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know if you tried it out. The recipe will be in the description box. So this is my final product, guys. Look at that. Isn't it so scrumptious? She's so good. She's so good. Well, thank you guys for watching. As always, love, peace, and chicken grease.